With the ultra-portable Zoom H1n, creators can record professional quality audio everywhere they go. The H1n's sleek, compact design and one-touch button controls make it easier than ever to record audio for music, film, interviews, and more. Its XY stereo microphones and the ability to record up to 24-bit 96K deliver the outstanding audio Zoom is known for. A 1.25-inch monochromatic display makes the H1n easy to read, even in the brightest lighting conditions. An advanced onboard limiter and low-cut filter help you record clean and distortion-free audio in the loudest environments. Playback Speed Control lets you slow down your recordings so you can easily transcribe interviews and learn songs. A one-touch speech preset optimizes the H1n EQ for dialogue, so journalists can catch every word. Musicians will also love its ability to overdub tracks. You can set the H1n to record automatically using its pre-record, auto-record, and self-timer functions. New tone and slate generators make it easy to calibrate your H1n and camera audio levels. The mic line input is perfect for lavalier microphones, and its headphone output with volume control lets you monitor your recordings. The Zoom H1n. Use it to zoom your audio anywhere and everywhere you go.